Hello everyone and welcome back to the Perfect French with Dylan. Today on these Thursday tips we're gonna learn how to pronounce brands, la prononciation des marques. So if you're lost with pronunciation and stuff, I have 4 videos that can help you. There's actually a playlist about it. It's the alphabet, la prononciation, the number 1, pronunciation number 2, and how to read in French. I will put the link in the description box and probably right here as well. Quick side note, don't forget that on Monday we saw how to conjugate the verbs ending with er, and yesterday was all about the food and drinks, 200 words of vocabulary. Tomorrow, listening practice as usual. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, like this video if you want to, and let's get started. So the thing about brands is there is a lot of different pronunciation depending on the country where you are, but in French, if you try to put the brand with an English accent, even if it's an American English brand or whatever, it might be seen as a bit snob. And also, if you want to order a Coke in a French-speaking country, well, you're not getting a Coke. Like it's, you should not say that. So we're gonna learn that too. First one we're gonna see today is Starbucks. Starbucks. Okay? Don't forget the R. Starbucks. Second one, MacDonald's. MacDonald's. KFC. KFC. My favorite. Nike. Nike. We don't say Nike, we say Nike. Technically, regarding French pronunciation, we should say Nick, but it doesn't have a good meaning in French, so I guess that's why we say Nike. Nike, not Nick, and not Nike. Nike. Keep going on the shoes. Adidas. Adidas. Then we have Converse. Converse. Numéro 7. Gucci. Gucci. Dior. 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 And then we have, of course, Christian Dior. Christian Dior. It's not Christian Dior, okay? I heard that. Christian Dior. Another luxury brand. Hermès. Hermès. So don't forget that we do not pronounce the H. Hermès. And I guess more people are going to this one more than Hermès or Gucci. H-E-M. H-E-M. We don't say H&M. H-E-M. We just don't say and because it's not in our language. So we say E. H-E-M. Numéro 12. Yves Saint Laurent. Yves Saint Laurent. Not Saint and Lauren, no. Yves Saint Laurent. Chanel. 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 Then the crocodile. Lacoste. Lacoste. Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. I heard Louis Vuitton. I heard that, something like that. I don't remember exactly. It was something really wrong. Louis Vuitton. Vuitton. We don't say Vuitton. C'est Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. Jean-Paul Gaultier. Jean-Paul Gaultier. Jean-Paul Gaultier. Just note that we don't pronounce the L. We don't say Gaultier. Jean-Paul Gaultier. In the English brand, we say Burberry. Burberry. Does not sound good, but we say it like that. Burberry. Then we don't say Levi's, we say Levi's. 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 Tommy Hilfiger. Tommy Hilfiger. Nothing special about this one. Diesel. Then we have Zadig et Voltaire. Zadig et Voltaire. Versace. 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 Hugo Boss. Hugo Boss, Hugo Boss. Cartier, Cartier. I won't tell you what I heard about this one, it was absolutely awful. Cartier, Cartier. Givenchy, Givenchy. Not Givenchy. I don't know where people could get that, but Givenchy. Longchamp, Longchamp, Longchamp. Then we have Miu Miu, Miu Miu. Ralph Lauren, Ralph Lauren. Then the famous red sole shoes. Christian Louboutin, Christian Louboutin. Then this is a makeup brand. Bourjois, Bourjois. Then we have Clarins, Clarins. And we have to pronounce the S at this one. Clarins. Apple, Apple. We say iPhone as well. iPhone, iWatch. We don't say ePhone or eWatch. We do say the same way as English speaker. iPhone, iWatch, Apple. Then Samsung, Samsung. Then the cars. Audi, Audi, Audi. Then Chevrolet, Chevrolet, Chevrolet. The new one. Tesla, Tesla. One day I will have a Tesla. Tesla. Then Mercedes Benz, Mercedes Benz. We don't say the Benz, we just say Mercedes. Mercedes. Then Ford, Ford. Next one, Porsche, Porsche. Some people say Porsche, we say Porsche, Porsche. Also, the car, when you want to talk about Audi and Mercedes or anything like that, you say une. It's always une, it's always feminine. Une Mercedes, une Audi, une Tesla, etc., etc. Because voiture, car, is a feminine noun. So we use the brand as feminine as well. Une Ford, une Porsche, etc., etc. Then Volkswagen. We don't pronounce the K. Volkswagen. Ferrari. Ferrari. And Lamborghini. 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 And the last one for the cars. Jaguar. Jaguar. Then if you need furniture and you ask for IKEA, nobody will know what you're talking about. It's IKEA. IKEA. Okay? IKEA. Not IKEA. This is a famous brand of water. Perrier. 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 Told you at the beginning, we say Coca Cola. Coca Cola. And if you want to order that at the restaurant, cafe, or anything, you say un Coca. Un Coca. You do not ask for Coke. Because one of them I understand you, but it's just not. It's another word in French. It's not the same thing. So, un Coca. Okay? Coca Cola. Un Coca. Red Bull. Red Bull. Red Bull. This one is for my fellow Canadian, even though it's now, I think it's been bought a long time ago by an American company. Canada Dry. Canada Dry. I know it's so poetic. Canada Dry. And my husband keeps saying that if you ask for ginger ale in Europe, you're gonna get a Canada Dry. I totally disagree with that because I never heard that in my entire life. So don't ask for ginger ale, which will be ginger ale. Ginger ale. I mean, don't ask for that. Just ask for Canada Dry. Canada Dry. Then the famous brand of macarons, La Durée. La Durée. And this one, Disneyland. So we don't say Disney, not land, Disneyland. We say Disneyland. We don't say Paris. We say Paris. Paris. Disneyland, Paris. So if you actually have heard before of a ginger ale in Europe, please leave me a comment. I would like to know that. I would like to know if I'm right or if maybe there's a tiny chance that I'm wrong. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video if you want. I post all those videos a week. Tomorrow the video is gonna be about listening practice, 3 texts, read twice with 3 questions for each stories, so you can really practice and see if you understood well. You can also connect with me on my Instagram, my Facebook page, and this YouTube channel. If you want to get lessons every week by email, I send them on Wednesday and on Friday. So you can register on my website. I'm gonna put it right here, and I will see you soon for another lesson.